Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, questions and answers on immigration to Canada. Very common question which is asked here and there all the time. Can I sponsor my relative, my sibling, my sister or my brother if I'm immigrating to Canada? So say I got a permanent residency status, could I sponsor them or could I include into my sponsorship application or into any type of immigration application? What could I do with that? So, well, generally, frankly speaking, you could not sponsor your brother or sister or include them into your application when you're immigrating to Canada. However, here are three options which are available right now. So option number one is a situation when you do not have any relatives yourself, so you don't have a wife, you don't have kids, you do not have a mother or father, and your sibling does not have anybody else. Okay, so you're the only two relatives left on this planet. In that case, you could sponsor him or her. Another option is your brother or sister is orphaned. So he or she does not have parents. Technically speaking, you do not have parents as well. He or she is not married. He or she is under 18. You could sponsor your brother and sister in this circumstance. Option number three, you're sponsoring your parents. So that would be the standard parent sponsorship program, and your brother or sister is dependent for your parents. So say he or she is under 19, financially dependent on your parents. In that case, your brother or sister could be included into sponsorship application as well. And last but not least, two important things to remember. There are several provincial programs which would give you additional points for brothers and sisters. Good example would be Manitoba, where you could get 200 points for close relatives living in there. So if you're living in Manitoba, you could grant your brother or sister additional points if he or she is looking to relocate to Manitoba as well. Another option is, well, in federal skilled worker program, you are getting additional points for adaptability for having a brother or sister in Canada, but it does not transform, at least for now, in express entry score. So it will affect eligibility only, but it will not affect your express entry score, at least for now. Our government has promised to give additional points for our relatives in Canada in the future. We would look at that. We would keep a close eye on express entry system. So far, it does not work this way. As always, questions, answers, comments, mostly welcome to leave them at the bottom of this video. And as usual, of course, please do not forget that we have a comprehensive immigration course for those who are looking to immigrate to Canada themselves. If you're the one who wants to know how to do it and want to do it successfully, well, mostly welcome. We have a link to this course and it is at the bottom of the video as well. Stay tuned with us.